How to smoothly reveal text in After Effects, step by step. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to smoothly reveal text in After Effects, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Name it as you wish and choose your desired resolution and duration. Step 2. Select the Type tool. Click anywhere in the comp and type your text. Adjust the font and size in the character panel. Then make sure the paragraph is set to Center Text for proper animation. Use the Align panel to center your text horizontally and vertically in the comp. Step 3. Switch back to the Selection tool. Open the text layers settings, click the Animate button and select Tracking. Click Add and choose Property, Opacity. First, decrease the tracking value until the letters are overlapping. For example, 100 pound, set opacity to 0%. Step 4. Open Range Selector 1. At the beginning of the layer, create a keyframe for Start at 0%. Move forward 1 second, then set Start to 100%. Select both keyframes, right-click, choose Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease, or simply press F9. Step 5. With both keyframes selected, open the graph editor. Make sure Edit Speed Graph is selected. Select each point and drag the yellow handles inward. The first handle all the way to the right, the second handle all the way to the left. This creates a smooth S-curve for ultra-smooth animation. Step 6. If you don't see the Motion Blur option, click Toggle Switches Modes at the bottom. Enable the Motion Blur icon on the text layer and in the comp. Now your text reveal has a super smooth professional look. That's it for this tutorial. If you want more quick After Effects tips, don't forget to subscribe and check the description for free presets and resources. Thanks for watching.